doing Bachelors of Science in Mechanical Engineering at the Northwest Technical. We have come up with a solution to the problem that we have researched, and probably the problem is of high blood pressure. Statistics show that about 9.2% of total death due to high blood pressure in sub-Saharan Africa. This is quite enormous and it's quite high, basically because there are inadequate machines for measuring blood pressure, and even the technicality, they are not user-friendly to those who are illiterate. So we have come up with a solution of which myself and my friends, we are going to take you through the innovation. So I'm calling my friend Abigail Pate to take you through the operation of the machine.
As already introduced, I'm Abigail Pate, and I'm taking you through the operation of the automated picking machine. This machine will be simple to use in the sense that it will use an open source technology, which we are calling Arduino. And it is going to be cheap because the materials are readily available. At the same time, it will be quick to use it in the sense that it is going to use light emitting dials to indicate the status of the patient. Thank you, and I'm calling my other colleague to go into the technology.
To take you through the technology that we're going to use first to build this machine. Actually, we are going to use a microcontroller which is called an Arduino board, and on this there will be a pressure sensor that will be mounted on this Arduino board, and also light emitting dials are going to be mounted on the same, so that whenever the pressure level rises, the light emitting dials will be able to show the status of someone's blood pressure. In the will be different colors, and also they will bring according to the level of pressure in the body. Apart from that, we are going to use a sound buzzer, which is going to also show the pressure levels to those who are visually impaired, so that they should not have problems in using the machine. That's why we are bringing this, so that it should be simple, secure, and affordable.